Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Irete, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The Three Men Who Sought Each Other's Head. Story. There were three men who were after each other's head. One day they visited each other to fight. One of them went to see Òrúnmìlà, who prepared Igbo for him. They met up, and one of those who hadn't done Igbo ran away from the one who had and hid inside a cave. The other, who also hadn't done Igbo, ran off and broke his leg. The one who had done Igbo went to Òrúnmìlà's house to tell him what had happened, and then it started to rain heavily. The man who was hiding in the cave didn't come out, and the water was so much that he drowned. The other, who had the broken leg, also died because he couldn't walk. Because of this, the families of both men blamed Òrúnmìlà and conspired to destroy him. But Òrúnmìlà told them they had to do Igbo to end the war and the losses. They followed his advice, and everything ended happily. Òrúnmìlà received a lot of owo, money,